Hello traders, and welcome back to another edition of Hotspots, where we discuss the high impact news events that are coming our way very soon. In today's video, we will be discussing the dates of August 30th through September 2nd. That is Wednesday through Saturday. Beginning with Wednesday the 30th, we will find ourselves with an all-day news event coming at us out of Germany. But as far as scheduled releases go, at 3 a.m. Eastern Time, we'll see high impact news out of Spain. And then at 8:15 and 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time, high impact news hits us out of the US. And then on the opposite end of the day at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time, we have high impact news coming at us out of China. As we work our way into Thursday, there's only one window to be on the lookout for, and that is at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time, and it's coming out of the US. And then finally, Friday the 1st will bring about early news coming at us at 2:30 a.m. Eastern Time out of Switzerland. Then after that, we find ourselves with news at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time out of both Canada and the US. And then finally, 10 a.m., we find one more release coming at us out of the US. And working our way into Saturday, we have a whole lot of nothing going on. So enjoy the weekend, and I will see you in the next one.